To achieve a lean and sculpted physique, understanding the essential tips for simultaneously building muscle and losing fat is crucial. This video explores the balanced approach of nutrition and caloric deficit, emphasizing the need for adequate protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates while maintaining a caloric deficit. Effective resistance training is highlighted, focusing on compound exercises, progressive overload, and rest periods to stimulate muscle growth and increase metabolic rate for fat burning. The role of cardiovascular exercise, including HIIT and moderate intensity cardio, is examined to optimize fat loss without compromising muscle gains. Additionally, the significance of prioritizing recovery, rest, and sleep for muscle repair, growth, and fat loss is emphasized, along with the importance of tracking progress and adjusting strategies to ensure continual muscle building and fat loss. Achieving fitness goals requires a balanced approach to nutrition and caloric intake. Adequate consumption of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates is vital for supporting muscle growth, repair, and overall maintenance while aiming for a caloric deficit to facilitate fat loss. Protein plays a key role in muscle repair and growth, while healthy fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Complex carbohydrates provide sustainable energy for workouts and daily activities. Maintaining a caloric deficit, where calorie intake is lower than expenditure, is essential for promoting fat loss while preserving muscle mass. This balanced approach ensures that the body has the necessary nutrients to support muscle development and recovery, while promoting a leaner physique. Effective resistance training plays a crucial role in stimulating muscle growth and boosting metabolic rate for fat burning. Incorporating compound exercises, which engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, is essential for maximizing muscle development and overall strength. Progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight or resistance used during workouts, is key for continuous muscle adaptation and growth. Adequate rest periods between sets and workouts allow for muscle recovery and repair, contributing to enhanced muscle development and overall metabolic rate. By focusing on these key principles, individuals can optimize their resistance training regimen to support muscle growth while promoting fat burning, ultimately contributing to a leaner and more defined physique. Cardiovascular exercise is a valuable component of a comprehensive fitness regimen, particularly for optimizing fat loss without compromising muscle gains. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, and moderate-intensity cardio are two effective approaches for achieving this balance. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest or lower-intensity activity, effectively boosting metabolism and promoting fat burning while preserving muscle mass. Similarly, moderate-intensity cardio, such as brisk walking or cycling, contributes to calorie expenditure and fat oxidation without significantly impacting muscle mass. By incorporating both HIIT and moderate-intensity cardio into a workout routine, individuals can enhance their fat loss efforts while maintaining muscle gains, ultimately contributing to a leaner and more defined physique. Prioritizing recovery and quality sleep is essential for maximizing the benefits of a fitness regimen. Post-workout recovery, including adequate rest, proper nutrition, and hydration, is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Allowing muscles to recover and rebuild is integral to achieving optimal results from workouts and supporting overall fat loss. Quality sleep is equally important, as it directly impacts hormone regulation, including those involved in muscle recovery and metabolism. Insufficient sleep can hinder muscle repair and compromise fat loss efforts. By emphasizing the necessity of proper recovery strategies and prioritizing quality sleep, individuals can ensure that their bodies are primed for muscle development and fat loss, ultimately leading to improved overall fitness and well-being. Tracking progress and adjusting strategies is fundamental for achieving continual muscle building and fat loss. By regularly monitoring body measurements, such as body weight, body fat percentage, and muscle mass, individuals can objectively assess their progress and make informed adjustments to their nutrition and training approaches. Additionally, tracking strength improvements in various exercises provides valuable insights into muscle development and overall performance. This data-driven approach allows individuals to adapt their nutrition plan and training regimen according to their progress, ensuring that they are consistently challenging their bodies and optimizing their efforts for muscle building and fat loss. Through proactive tracking and strategic adjustments, individuals can effectively work towards their fitness goals and maintain motivation for long-term success.